Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And let me tell you, right? We're going to be talking about both Bitcoin, just a little update, and also about emotions. And what a day we have here, guys, alright? Crazy, right? Just completely madness. So let me turn on the Bollinger for now. What we can see here, we're on the 1 hour. Because basically what I did is I shorted around here, right? 6,320 or so. Took profit at like these lower areas already. Yeah, it seems stupid, I know. But that is conservative play, guys. Right? That's how you do it. Okay? Let's say you didn't do that. Let's say you get euphoric and you see all your profit just going mad. And then this happens. And I mean, you will not feel so good anymore. Right? So just to quickly go over why I entered that short over there is simple, right? On the 15-minute, you saw the MACD also starting to cross down. The 20-minute as well. If you take, well, now it's really hard to see, but it was still around these tops, right? So I just didn't see a break in, guys. Okay, so and that's the honest truth. So, I went short and I closed it early. I know, I closed it very early. But at least that protects you from things like this. Okay, so what happened then? Well, me and a friend, right, we saw it crashing, guys, all right? So what I did is I started laddering in. Guys, okay? Maybe it was a little early, maybe not, right? But I start laddering around here already. Okay, so it dumped further, fine. But what I did see is on the hourly, basically, why the reason, right? Look at this, right? This is bullish, RSI divergence, and the same on the MACD, right? So it kind of told me an indication that it could bounce up, and I only added small, right? And so I'm going to talk about, basically I added small, right? Very, very, very small. I think it was like 3x or something, or maybe 5x, yeah, something like that. My liquidation level was all the way at 4,400, but my friend's liquidation level was like at 5,600. So what happened when it dumped further than our entries? He started panicking, right? He's like, well, what if it hits 5,600? I lose everything. So I told him, realistically, that's possible because of this drop, right? Or not this one. Where's the big drop? Well, this drop right here, we first had like about 5% drop as well, and then we had another 10% afterwards. Well, if another 10% afterwards would have happened, he would get to 5,400, so he would have been liquidated. But of course, I did tell him about this. This is a big difference with the other drop, is we had massive bullish RSI divergence here, and I mean, good thing he stayed in the trade, right? Then we both closed it at a profit. Obviously not at the top, that'd be mad. But just conservatively, once again, guys, conservatively, right? Didn't target much, just target about 1%. And that's how you do it. That's how you grow your account. Just keep targeting conservative profits on your BitMax account, right? Or on your margin trading. For spot trading, it's totally different because you can't get liquidated on spot trading, guys. You can only go long, and well, you just buy and you wait for target, right? That's way different. And you do that based not on, well, you can do it on the hourly, but I like to play 4 hour on spot trading for sure, right? So is this the reversal that we're looking for, right? Well, honestly, guys, let's take a look at the hourly, right? This is our volume right here. So this high. Okay, we're just gonna zoom out here, and we're gonna check if any volume. Okay, so here is what bothers me. If this is the reversal, this hourly candle has less volume than this drop had, the last hourly of this. So that means that I think there's still more sellers in the market than buyers, right? That's my concern with that. If we look at daily, obviously daily is not done yet, but yeah, this volume is still very insignificant, right? So is this reversal? I don't think so. I don't think so. But was this nice place? Yeah. I mean, we had a great short. We had a great long. I also had a nice short on EOS today. Just quickly going over that as well. So I have EOS right here. I need to put this on the 15, I think. Yeah. So right around here, right, guys? I think it was around here. Or was it earlier? It was probably around here, actually. No. It was at this candle. So at this candle, guys, I was actually in around here. How? Well, simple. On the 5 minutes, so it was here, right? On the 5 minutes, it was very overbought. It was all the way at 80 RSI. So I'm not afraid to add at the 80 RSI, right? And then, well, you go short, and well, you know, I'm very conservative, so obviously I close at about 1.5%. I'm out. I missed the majority of the move, guys. Once again, do I care that I missed that? Not at all, because being conservative will get you the most wins. Your win rate will go significantly up. You ladder in slowly. So if it does go higher, for example, in that short, I mean, 80 RSI, guys, you know, you should expect something, right? But of course it can go to 90, etc., right? And you need to look at not only 15, also at 20 minutes, etc., and like 5, 10 minutes, everything, right? But let's say it does go higher, you just add some more. That's why you start with a small ladder, right? About 5 times, not 10 times your balance. As for EOS, it would only be about 3 times your balance, because it moves significantly more crazy than Bitcoin does, right? So that is what I see right now, guys, right? So Bitcoin, let's just take a look at the 15 minute here, or even the 5 minute for that matter. So what do you guys think would happen here, right? Our size, like, I mean, MACD's about going like that. It already went overbought a little bit here before. Do you guys think it will fall, or do you guys think it will pump, right? I'd say I have to look at the 10 minutes as well. So what I can tell here is basically it could do some double top and then fall. For this to bend as well, have some time. I will certainly be looking for a short then again. It's simple, guys, right? You go long when the RSI, when you're massively at the bottom side, and you go short when it's like at the top side. It's that simple, right, guys? And if you ladder in slowly, you will not get liquidated just like that, right? Maybe you will need to add more if it goes crazy. If it goes to 6,700, you might need to add more. Fine, just do that, right? And you'll be fine, right? If you play low leverage, you will be fine, guys, all right? I don't want to hear about 25x, 50x, and 100x. I absolutely hate it when you guys are talking about that, because it will just blow up your account, right? So that is basically the day of trading that I have so far, and I'm sure it will get just more crazy, right? This also happened because of CBOE futures, 19th of September, guys. That's today. Something happened with them, right? They closed, so you know, you got to dump, you got to pump. Things like that do happen on those days. But also, guys, the technicals were telling you here, right, that a pump could definitely happen. And that's also a reason why I started scaling in. So yeah, that's that, guys. All right. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? So join up with that, guys. Let's see what's going on here. So someone also pointed this out. Look at that. Yeah, guys, exactly. You don't need to count this, guys. This is not really countable because of this craziness, right? So don't try to count it, please. But I mean, if you want to count it, you can't really count this, right? It's just too hard. But anyways, guys, I like that chart. So once again, yeah, nice chart here. So yeah, keep it up, guys. Also, if you're not in the CryptoPies feed yet, join up with that as well, because I post all my videos there. I post about upcoming ICOs. When I find the ICO, I'll tell you guys about it to whitelist for it, so you are ready for the sale. But at the moment, don't expect any ICOs from me, because both Neo and Ethereum are low priced, and that means it's way harder for your ICOs to do well, and therefore, obviously, I'm not suggesting it, right? What I do look for in an ICO is a strong team, low token metrics or low market cap, and of course I look for infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols. And also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.